1954 Swallow Doretti. This beautifully presented, fully rebuilt Swallow Doretti once formed part of the largest privately owned collection of British classic cars in the world, the James Hull Collection. In 2014, the collection of 543 British classic cars was sold to Jaguar Land Rover for an estimated £100 million. Our Swallow Doretti was then looked after by Jaguar Classic Works and displayed in the British Motor Museum in Gaydon prior to it going back into private ownership. In over 30 years of selling classic cars, this is only the second Swallow Doretti we've owned, the first one selling off the market to a collector. Only 276 examples were ever manufactured, and it is reported that fewer than 75 to 80 still exist, with just 25 in the UK. This is an exceptionally rare car, and one that has been rebuilt to the very highest of standards during the early 2000s. The Swallow is a beautiful design, a stylish two-seater roadster with a bespoke chassis and body clothed in aluminium outer body panels supplied by Panelcraft. The Swallow Doretti used the Triumph TR2 engine and running gear. Being built with a wider, longer chassis than the TR2, the Doretti handled more securely and had more refinements such as a heater and fitted luggage. The styling was borrowed from the Ferrari 16mm Barchetta. The name Doretti was suggested by a California Triumph distributor, Arthur Anderson, after his daughter Dorothy Dean. The Doretti offered 100 mph performance, and the car sold well in California, where its hand-built exclusivity had huge appeal. Our car, PCD 514, was built in late 1954. First registered in Sussex in March 55, the car was subject to a 10-year total strip down and full restoration that was completed around 2008.